Question number 1. Which sentence is in the present perfect continuous tense? Options are: A. She writes a letter. B. She has written a letter. C. She has been writing a letter. D. She wrote a letter. The correct answer is she has been writing a letter. Question number 2. The present perfect continuous tense is mainly used to show. Options are: A completed action in the past. B. An action happening right now. C. An action that started in the past and is still continuing. D. A future plan. The correct answer is an action that started in the past and is still continuing. Question number 3. They blank studying for 2 hours. Options are: A. B. Have. C. Have been. D. Were. The correct answer is have been. Question number 4. Which helping verbs are used in the present perfect continuous tense? Options are: A is am are. B was were. C has have plus been. D will shall. The correct answer is has have plus been. Question number 5. Identify the correct sentence. Options are: A. He has been work since morning. B. He have been working since morning. C. He has been working since morning. D. He was been working since morning. The correct answer is he has been working since morning. Question number 6. Which time expression is commonly used with the present perfect continuous tense? Options are: A. Yesterday. B. Tomorrow. C. Since. D. Next week. The correct answer is since. Question number 7. She has been blank very hard lately. Options are: A. Work. B. Worked. C. Working. D. Works. The correct answer is working. Question number 8. The structure of the present perfect continuous tense is. Options are: A. Subject plus verb plus object. B. Subject plus has have plus past participle. C. Subject plus has have plus been plus verb plus ing. D. Subject plus was were plus verb plus ing. The correct answer is subject plus has have plus been plus verb plus ing. Question number 9. Which sentence shows an action continuing up to the present? Options are: A. They finished the task. B. They are finishing the task. C. They have finished the task. D. They have been finishing the task. The correct answer is they have been finishing the task. Question number 10. Choose the correct question form. Options are: A. Has she been waiting long? B. Did she been waiting long? C. Is she been waiting long? D. Was she been waiting long? The correct answer is has she been waiting long.